Hello, welcome. Question number 12. We are still on the general mathematics for Liberian 2025. We have question 12, the height in centimeters, the number of seedlings. So they say the table shows the distribution of height of seedlings in a nursery. So if the mean height is given a four whole number 19 on 31 centimeters, we have to find the value of x, find the median height, then the probability that a seedling selected at random from the nursery has a height greater than 2 centimeters, which is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but less than what? 6. So greater to 1, 2, 3. So this is what we are going to be dealing with. Now, what do we know? We need to redraw this table in a column row form, whereby we can easily get the positions of these numbers and find the value of what x. Keep in mind the question, because I'm going to do away with the question completely, then focus on the steps that are going to be needed. So look on it as we move together. Okay, so the table will be in this form. Remember, we have the height, we have the number of seedling. The height is x, number of seedling is what? The f, that's the frequency we are having. So if we add all this and this are the whole numbers that we'll be adding. But remember 2x, let's take the positive ones first. X plus x will be 2x minus 2x, 0. 2x plus x, 3x minus 3x, 0. So this minus this plus this plus this minus this plus this will give you what? 31. Meaning the frequency is what? Total frequency is 31. Then the fx, meaning 2 times all of this. Remember, the 2 is multiplying the binomial term here. So 2 times the 17 minus 2 times 3, x will give you this. 3 times this, in that order. You don't just multiply the first term. So 4 times this, in that order. Because of space and time, I'm able to construct this before bringing the video on. Then, if we add, we are still going to add minus 6 and 6. That will be 0. This plus this will give you 9. 9 plus this will be 15. 15 minus 14 will be 1. Then if you add the whole numbers and subtract, you get 31. Let's leave this one. After we find the x, then we can find the actual frequencies without the variable. So let's pick the first part of the question. We are saying that the mean, which is the x bar, is sigma fx over what? Sigma f. So here I think I just have to write sigma f 31. But remember, we have been given the mean as 4 whole number 19 or what? 31. Let's see if we multiply that on our calculator. The value we are going to get is going to be 4 times 31. That will be 124 plus 19 will give 143. So here, as we'll be having 143 divided by 31 equals to sigma fx, which is here, 139 plus x divided by sigma f, which is what? 31. Can you see we have 31 as the denominators? So we multiply both sides by that 31. So here, multiply by 31. It will cancel, remaining 143 equals to 139 plus what? X. I can maintain the x there and have 143 minus what? 139. And I'm sure x is going to be, if I add 4 to this, I'll get that. So the value of x is going to be what? 4. The first part of the question, find the value of x. We found the value. What do we need? We need now the frequency, which will replace the 4 by this. 4 times this will give you 12. 12 minus that will give you what? 5. If you multiply here by this 8, you get 2. This is going to be 4, 4, 8 in terms of addition. 4 here, 7, 4 here, 3, and 4 here will be 8. 8 from here, we have 6, right? Good. So if you add all this again, you still get your sigma f to be what? 31. That value will still be there. Then this one will be addition of what? The 4, but let's go. So now we have fx. If we can multiply or replace the value of x, you come back to the same thing. If I multiply this, I should be having 10, 6. This is going to be 32, 35, 18, and what? 42. Our sigma fx will now be equals to 143. We don't even need that one in the next calculation, but for the table sake, we've done that. So for the second part of the question, we are looking for median. You know, here our total frequency is an odd number, so your median is going to be half of sigma f plus 1 item. So in this case, 1 on 2 times, let me just bring the bracket, 31 plus 1 item. Then this is going to be half of what? 32 or 32nd, I think 32nd, right? Item. So this means that half of this is what? 16th item, as in position. So if I add this and this, I have 15. 15 is going to be here, and 16 is going to be here. Therefore, the median is going to be 5. Let me just say median height will be equals to what? 5 centimeters. That will be the median height if we are to talk about this in terms of what? Centimeters. What is next? The third one is to find the probability of selecting at random the seedling that is what? 2 centimeters, more than 2 centimeters, but less than what? 6 centimeters. More than 2 centimeters is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But less than this, meaning this area. These are the centimeters. But how many are they in terms of frequency? So we can say that 2 less than height less than 6. This value is going to give us, we begin from 2, right? So that would be 2 plus 8 plus what? 7. That would be 17. Therefore, probability of 2 less than 8 less than 6 will be 17 divided by what? 31. The total frequency. Total frequency, I think that's what? 31. So 17 out of 31 will be where we have 2 centimeter less than more than 2 centimeters, but less than what? 6 centimeters. I believe this is also clear. If you find it educative, don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel, share, and leave a comment, and we keep learning together. Come back for question number 13.